Uno got the streets going crazy.
Damn, Jizzy, bitch, get the blunt. Let me talk my shit, yo. BCA, Young Decky.
Uno got the streets going crazy.
223 of that K-ho. You play with me, it's case closed. Face it, you can't face me. I'll leave a nigga face on. We be in them trenches, yeah, them places that you can't go. Cause niggas at your head like Kangos. All behind them pesos, or simply cause I gave them boys to say so. Now I be but my lil' one be the Draco. Send my youngins at ya, they gon' pop ya. Red beam on your noggin soon as they spot ya. Get caught in the jam, he probably singing like the opera. Red bottoms just to stun on niggas we on top of.
Yeah. BCA, ain't nothing finna stop us unless a nigga pop us. But before they help, you know we finna pop up. Me and all my rosters, hopping out the rental with them choppers. Car loaded with monsters wearing BCA attire. Hopping out the rental, we ain't stopping. Hopping out the rental with them choppers, yeah. Rockin' designer, tryna cover up the pain I feel. Been hurt too many times, should've turned your heart to stainless steel. Couldn't find a way, so I ran straight to Allah. Prostrated so much, she left my head with a mark. All my niggas live on go, so they ain't never gotta start. Shorty say I live my life like I ain't even got a heart. Tell my soldiers go like after February they gon' march. Finna kill this rap shit
Uno
like
got
50
the
shots
streets
to the
going
heart.
crazy.
Never trust a nigga that's like 50 shots to the heart. Dead, damn. And lately I've been going through some things. My body filled with pain, praying to going for a change, yeah. Got all these pussy niggas slandering my name. Nigga supposed to be my dog, but that little pussy made you change, yeah. Nigga, you ought to be ashamed, yeah. Fuck nigga, you ought to be ashamed, yeah. But fuck a nigga and a bitch if they ain't fucking with me. Got other shit on my mind, like how to make $1 million. I had to get on my grind and take care of my little one. So if they ain't talking money, then I probably won't listen. Yeah, if it ain't about the money, man, I swear I don't feel them. And if they fuck with the bag, then we going to get them. We never play about the bag, put that shit on my little one. And I don't play by my little one, so you know I'ma kill him. I swear it's crazy how it's lonely when you at the bottom. Soon as a nigga start to rise and bitches wanna holler. Niggas that's supposed to be a dog, aiming at your collar. Niggas that's supposed to be a dog, trying to get you caught up. Denying flat, touchdown, yelling BCA. Built my team, we made a way when it wasn't a way. Bag season, we gon' chase it till we in our grave. Involve to step on anything, so stay out the way. My whole roster number shooters like Curry and Clay. And we gon' splash on a nigga like Curry and Clay. Love all my niggas from the heart, that's the only way. Cause they been with me from the start. Yeah, the first day, it's gang over everything, that's all I gotta say. It's gang over everything, that's all I gotta say. BCA, Young Decky. It's gang over everything, that's all I gotta say. Real spill. This Young Decky, the motherfucking CEO, man. BCA. We stepping on everything. Yeah, BCA.
Uno got the streets going crazy.